Welcome! In this section, we are going to cover how to change the batteries of a drain watch. First off, you're going to grab a Phillips screwdriver and unscrew each of the 4 screws on the left side to expose the battery. Remove the cover, pull out the battery pack and remove all 4 batteries. Be sure to take your time to avoid damage to the drain watch. Once removed, replace all 4 batteries using D1.5V industrial batteries, making sure that the spring end is against the negative side of the battery. Once all the batteries are in, place the battery pack back into the holder and screw the lid back on. Your screen will light up and your drain watch will be ready to be reset. Your drain watch would have been fitted by our engineers, who set the drain watch to go off when the kitchen has the least activity. Our grease trap and drain maintainer has an ongoing action cleaning and breaks down the dirt overnight. Please let us know what you think in the Hub community.